Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.86. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't performed as expected, with a loss of 1.88% so far. This translates to an average loss of 0.14% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. Analyzing the present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 38.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.33% to 61.77%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 45.91%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary between 4.29% and 284.09% over the upcoming year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price range between $4.36 and $16.05. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: High volatility in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $4.18. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 4.5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, rising from $4 to $4.18. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.58%, with a day low of $3.78 and a day high of $4.18. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, with an 8.57% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 29 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 193 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $805,840,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35. while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 59.61%, or $6.17, below the 52-week high, and 74.07%, or $11.94, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, remains a focal point in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence sector. The company specializes in AI-powered decision intelligence and predictive analytics, primarily catering to government and defense applications. Analysts highlight that BigBear.ai could significantly benefit as Palantir continues to dominate the AI defense space, potentially paving the way for BBAI to carve out its market niche. BBAI's impressive backlog of $384,900,000, bolstered by government and defense contracts, suggests strong revenue visibility moving forward. The recent successful deployment of biometric technology at major United States and Canadian airports adds to its credibility and operational capacity. Despite the firm still facing unprofitability, the narrowing of net losses alongside recurring revenue from long-term contracts indicates a trajectory towards potential profitability. In the short term, the current interest and active comparisons with other competitors like Five9 highlight BBAI's viability as an investment choice. This momentum could lead to increased buying activity, positively impacting stock prices. Long-term, as the AI market is projected to continue its growth, BBAI's focus on strategic deployments and its substantial backlog could lead to significant appreciation in stock value, particularly if the company can leverage its government contracts and improve profitability metrics. Let's discuss the latest analyst ratings. On the 30th of December 2024, H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade, while also issuing a hold action. Additionally, on the 15th of October 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again gave BBAI a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $3.98 and $3.75. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 6.9%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 152 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $4.14. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 400 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 10.58%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 9.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, typically due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -7 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $4.14. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond made an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC made an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. made an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Fulcino Paul E. made an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Canido Peter Anthony Jr. made an insider purchase of 32,911 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders acquired 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.01, reflecting a decline of 4.18%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There appears to be a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the short term. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by 13.3 cents and begin trading at $4.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.